Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week is my first video of preparing for Christmas. I am going to be making Dundee cake. I have preheated my fan oven to 120 degrees and lined my cake tin with grease-proof paper. In my bowl, I'm going to cream together my butter and caster sugar. I'm going to add in my lemon zest and beat it in. One egg with a tablespoon of sieved flour, and then repeat it with 3 more eggs. Now my eggs are all mixed in, I'm going to add the rest of my self-raising flour and plain flour and mix it in. Finally, I'm going to add in my sultanas, raisins, currants, mixed peel, grounded almonds and a tablespoon of sherry. If you prefer, you may like to use rum. Now I'm going to place my almonds on top. Now I'm going to bake my Dundee cake in the oven for 3 hours. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.